You meet different people every single day, and the most important thing is how you deal with them. If you look at any businessman, no matter how big his business is, he also deals with people in such a way that they feel satisfied. If we want to master communication, we must learn how to present our point in a way that others understand and feel valued. Because our value in society also grows when we know how to deal with people effectively. Now let's talk about 4 powerful ways to deal with people the right way. 1. Listen more, talk less. Most people only wait for their turn to speak. But if you truly listen, with eye contact and attention, people will feel respected. Listening is the first step to winning trust. 2. Understand their perspective. Everyone sees the world differently. Instead of arguing, try to step into their shoes. When you show empathy, you build trust and reduce misunderstandings. 3. Give respect and appreciation. Every human wants dignity, whether big or small. A simple thank you or recognizing someone's effort can win hearts. People always remember how you made them feel. 4. Stay calm and positive. In tough situations, don't lose control. Don't react with anger. Respond calmly. Your positive energy will attract respect, and people will always want to deal with you again.